Claude Code is incredibly powerful, but there's one thing that it doesn't do by default, and if you understand that, then everything will change when you're using Claude Code. So Claude Code doesn't have memory that grows over time. It does have the files that it reads from and that it puts information there, and you can also put information there as well. This is what we talk about when we talk about Claude having a really good memory, because it can search those files, but it doesn't store your previous conversations though. Now Supabase fixes that. In this video, let me explain what Supabase is and how it will drastically improve your workflow and your communication with Claude Code. Hi, if you don't know me, my name is Kate and I run the Igniting Studio, a digital marketing agency, and we are currently in the process of doing all of our workflows and automations in Claude Code that we use in our agency, and I want to share this with you through tutorials, use cases, and demos. So if you're interested in this type of content, then watch our other videos or hit the subscribe button. So the reason that Supabase gets connected with Claude Code is called vector embeddings. And I know this sounds really scary and tech, but it is not. Let me explain to you what vector embeddings are. So when Claude Code searches through your files, what it does is it looks for keywords. Think of it like this really big spreadsheet, and it looks for the different keywords to the question that you asked, and it gives your answers based on that. And it also goes through Claude.md and goes through the files as well, but it is only working with kind of this search and find method. Now, Supabase has vector embeddings, so it doesn't search by keywords, but it searches by meanings. These vector embeddings are actually meanings to that data, and it stores these based on numbers so that the search can be really quick. So once you have set up Supabase, then Claude Code will work from that. And it will remember everything. And that's what makes it so powerful, because you can use it to talk to it without having to start all over, without having to save every single detail in your files on your computer. It will simply store it in the Supabase database, and you can use it at a much higher level than you would without Supabase. So what I want you to do is I want you to come to supabase.com and sign in or create an account for yourself. I'm going to come here into Organization Settings, Account Preferences, and you're going to come to Access Tokens. And here you can create a new token for yourself. Make sure to save this and do not give it to Claude Code, but save it so that you will later on copy and paste it into your .mv file. So once you have your API key, then you're going to copy your project URL and also your service role key. So we have our project URL. If you go back to your dashboard, create a new project, you're going to come into Project Settings. And here is your project ID, which you can copy, and you can also get your API key. You will want to create a publishable key and also a new API key. Once you have those, then what you want to do is open this file on Windows. If you don't have this, then just simply create it, do a text file, and then just give .json extension to it, and then add this to your settings. So you're going to copy this and you're going to paste all of your codes here to make sure that Claude doesn't have it, only you have it in your files. And when you have that, then all you need to do is restart Claude Code and test it. It is literally that easy. Now you have a very powerful tool because it remembers your conversations, it can look at your files, and your entire Claude Code project is becoming this really powerful tool that you can use for your marketing or for your business. Now, if you are not that technical and if you're scared to set up Claude Code for your business, then you can always book a call with me and I can set it up for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this helped you.